Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp calendar meetings. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add a Zoom link into your Basecamp calendar event? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a Zoom link into your Basecamp calendar event anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing online meetings with your clients or maybe even your coworkers, Basecamp is a popular way to do that. And you can actually add the Zoom link directly into the calendar event, so you don't have to send it out to everybody individually. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add a Zoom link into one of your calendar events, first you have to find the project. So you're going to click right here on View All Projects in a List. Once you do that, scroll through until you see the project you want to add a Zoom link to. So for example, this one right here. Next, you're going to click on this button here, Schedule. Once you click on Schedule, you're going to see all the different events and meetings you have scheduled. So you can go ahead and just click on the one you want to add a Zoom link to. So for example, this one right here. Once you do that, you're going to click on the Edit button here on the top right. All right, once you do that, look for this green button here called Link. Once you click on Link, you can go ahead and paste in your Zoom link here. So let me go ahead and open up my Zoom. Okay, so here is my Zoom link right here. So I'm going to copy it and then we'll just come right back in here to Basecamp and then paste in the link and then click on Update this event. A quick second later, the page refreshes. Now anyone who has access in my Basecamp to that calendar event will be able to see and access my Zoom link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a Zoom link into your Basecamp calendar event, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.